Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to write an effective LinkedIn About section to appear in recruiter searches step by step, fully updated for 2026. The About section is key for showcasing your skills, experience, and career goals while using recruiter-friendly keywords. First, log into LinkedIn at linkedin.com. Go to your profile and click the pencil icon in the About section to start editing. Start with a strong opening line. Introduce yourself, your role, and your experience. For example, "Hi, I'm your name, a digital marketing specialist with 5 years of experience in SEO and content strategy." Next, highlight your key skills and achievements using natural language. Include recruiter-targeted keywords, but avoid stuffing. For example, "I've successfully led campaigns increasing website traffic by 40% and improved engagement across multiple platforms." Add specializations and tools you work with. Mention technologies, certifications, or industry knowledge. For example, expert in Google Analytics, HubSpot, and social media marketing. Include your career goals or roles you're seeking. This signals recruiters the types of opportunities you're open to. For example, currently seeking opportunities in growth marketing and data-driven campaigns. Keep paragraphs short and readable. 3 to 5 concise paragraphs, ideally 150 to 200 words. Use bullet points if needed for key achievements. Finally, end with a call to action. Invite connections or recruiters to reach out. Feel free to connect or message me for collaboration opportunities. And that's it. By writing a clear opening, highlighting skills and achievements, including keywords and tools, stating career goals, and keeping it concise, you can create an About section that ranks in recruiter searches and attracts the right opportunities. Hey everyone!